Today I will show you how to do a hip hold. First I will demonstrate and then we will break it down. So first, the prerequisite for this is learning how to do an outside leg hang. And also, most of your weight will be distributed into your armpit, into your hip, and some in your inner thighs as well. A big key point of this is to try to think about crunching through your obliques, depending on which side is the side that has contact with the pole. So I will demonstrate and give you a few tips as I demonstrate. I'll do the other side this time. So outside leg hang, I'm still holding on to the pole with both hands. The straight leg, I will externally rotate it, and then I will start to bring it towards my chest, push my armpit into the pole. And you want to make sure that you can hold this first. So see if this feels comfortable. And then if you feel comfortable here, you can start to take the other leg off the pole. And your weight will distribute into your inner thighs and mostly this armpit. To come out, gently unwind or go back into your outside leg hang. So a lot of it just comes from comfort, keeping the grip of the pole right under the armpit here towards your back. So a lot of it's just getting really comfortable with your outside leg hang. Once you feel like your outside leg hang on both sides feel very secure, really sturdy, you can probably start to learn the hip hold. And the hip hold is the prerequisite to being able to do the jade split on the pole. So I know these are little baby steps along the way to a bigger move. Another one is for the grip point, you will feel that the pole is in your inner thigh. So you'll want to push whichever leg has the most contact with the pole in the hip hold. Think about pushing that leg into the pole. I'll show you. Outside leg hang. This leg, as I bring it around towards my chest, I think about pushing it into the pole. And then this other leg comes through and I think about pushing the leg, the inner thigh, into the pole. Regroup, gently come out. That's really all there is to it. Sometimes when I see people fail at this, it's usually just they're not pushing the legs and actively enough into the pole, or that armpit grip is not secure enough. But once you have those, it should come a little bit more easily. I'll show you again, but on the other side this time. This side. So the straight leg, I externally rotate it and I bring it around. I lock the armpit into the pole right here with this arm. And I'm actively pushing this inner thigh into the pole. I'm looking to my straight arm here. I'm looking over towards that arm to help with the grip in my side. To come out, outside leg hang, and gently unwind. I hope that helps you learn how to do a hip hold.